welcome back to the channel. This is your Sin and this is Beauty with Sin, and today's wig we are reviewing is Butter Lace Unit 34 in Flamboyage Mocha. This is Sensationel's new one of their butter lace, and they've actually changed the lace on these wigs, the butter collection, the what lace collection, and the lace is basically like kind of pre-plucked, so that's what they're claiming. So I got her in Flamboyage Mocha. She comes in a lot of different colors. I use my Eben Wonder Lace Spray. Wig caps are from Amazon. You can look up HD wig caps. I think I ended up changing out this wig cap, but she is a doll. She's a beauty. She comes with baby hair, and she is a very good mixture of blondes and browns. And I thought she was really a pretty cute wig, especially for the summer, because she is short. She's not that long. Well, no, she's long. I think she's 26 inches. Now let's but she kind of went where I wanted her to go. Her out of the packaging that she came in. Now you see that she comes with a mesh lace at the front. She has two combs on both sides, one in the back, two adjustable straps, the usual construction. She is breathable. She's not open at the back, but she is lightweight, so she could rock in the summer. It's not a heavy textured wig, so it doesn't feel heavy on your head. One thing I have to say that is a con for me is that I realized in these wigs, as I'm putting them on, and you'll see here in a second, she does not have a lot of lace to work with. I noticed with Sensationel lately, there's not a lot of lace, and maybe it's because of the pandemic and lace shortages and whatnot. As you can see me just trying to figure out how to place her. I'm just kind of showing you like just the basic right out the box. But, you know, we went back off camera and we kind of adjusted her a little bit. I think at one point I took her off, went back and got a different color stocking cap as I was looking at her. She is a good cap size. I don't exactly know what her cap size is, but she did fit very well. Like I said, my one concern is the lace was not a lot to work with, so you have to be very, very careful when you are trimming the lace off. So you want to be up close and personal to the mirror when you are taking the lace off of this wig so that you do not cut way too far ahead. I moved back so you guys could see the length of her. She is 26 inches long and she comes right beneath my bra. Don't worry about what I'm Like I said, I switched over the stocking cap to a much darker stocking cap. And this one actually worked when I put the wig back on. And so here you'll see the difference from the first clip before. Now, like, it looks like scalp. And I love that for this stocking cap. I don't even know where I got this. It was just a random one that I found in my box of treats. And yeah, she is very like yaki-ish, like real natural hair type texture. That is what this wig was actually giving me as I was going through it. What I did was I pulled the baby hairs back from off my face because I don't feel like she needs baby hairs once you cut the lace off. And you'll see what I'm talking about. Like, she doesn't really need that. I feel like she just needs a little swoop to doop here and there, and then she's fine with what she is. I'm gonna pluck her a little bit and kind of try to position her on my head. I'm gonna stop talking, speed the video up, and then we'll come back and we'll discuss what I think of this wig by Sensationel. Okay guys, this is editing me. I realized that I did not film the final look of this wig. I thought I had and the clips were in there, and when I got to the end I realized like, oops, I didn't film it. So this is a few days later while I'm editing, and so I decided to put the wig back on to kind of give you guys the final touch. And since I have my face a little put together, I felt like, you know what, let me just come on and show you guys this wig. Now, after I did the review where you guys saw earlier, after I took it off and did that, I haven't worn it in like maybe a week, but it does tangle. She is a tangle left weaved, so you're gonna have to comb her out, to like brush her out. Get your paddle brush and brush her out, but she can be worn multiple times. You don't have to like do too much, and you know, the older she gets, I feel like the better she looks. So yeah, so this is the final look for the Butter Unit 34. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. The next video coming up should be either Butter Unit 36, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Stay tuned, there's more videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think of these wigs. Give me some feedback. And to the new people on the channel, the new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the channel. And if you don't know about me, you can click the link in below and go back to my vlog channel, and you'll see who I am and learn a little bit more behind the scenes about myself. But this channel is geared towards beauty and hair. And so yeah, I'll see you guys back. Yeah, let me just